Want to compare categories as proportions of a whole? A 100% stacked bar chart in Power BI is the perfect visualization. Today I will show you how to create one step by step using an Excel dataset. So stick around, compare multiple categories, understand proportions easily, create for sales, survey data and more. Let's get started. First, let's import our dataset from Excel. We have a simple dataset with three columns: region, product category, and sales amount. There are steps like first click on home, then get data. After that, click on Excel. Select your file and click open. Choose the sheet with your data and click load. Now, let's create our chart. There are few steps. First step, click on the 100% stacked bar chart in the visualization pane. Drag region to the x-axis, drag product category to the legend, drag sales amount to the values field. Notice how each bar represents a region while different colors represent product categories, stacked proportionally to 100%. Let's make this chart visually appealing. And there you have it, a fully interactive 100% stacked bar chart in Power BI. So we can have a quick recap. First one is imported Excel data. Second one is to create a 100% stacked bar chart. Third one is to apply customized colors, labels, and formatting. This chart is perfect for comparing proportions across different groups, whether it is sales, customer, feedback, or market share. Enjoyed this tutorial? Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Power BI tutorials and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions in the comments. I would love to help. So thanks. Happy visualizing.